Hello children, welcome back to the online maths class at BMS School at home. Children, in the last class we learned the addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping and without regrouping. In today's class we are going to learn about the addition word problem. Okay? So children, what is this addition word problem? What is the meaning of this? Yeah, it is a few sentences describing a real life scenario where a problem needs to be solved by way of a mathematical calculation. Okay, so children, what is addition word problem? Addition word problem is a few sentences describing a real life scenario where a problem needs to be solved by way of a mathematical calculations. Okay, so now children, let us see some examples related to addition word problem. Addition word problem. Okay, so the first question is, on the first day of a cricket match there were 7,874 spectators. Okay, so children, what is spectators? What is the meaning of spectators? Yes, audience. Okay, so on the second day there were 1,345 more spectators than the first day. So the question is, how many spectators were there on the second day? Okay, so children, here the addition word problems is given, so you have to find the addition fact for this word problem. Okay, now let's find the addition fact for this problem. So first you have to write the total number of spectators on the first day match. Okay, so the total number of spectators on the first day match. Okay, so children, once again read the question. On the first day of the cricket match there were 7,874 spectators. Okay, so on the first day of the cricket match, how many spectators are there, ma? Yes, 7,874. So write 7,874. Okay, now on the second day there were 1,345 more spectators than the first day. Okay, now the total number of spectators on the second day is 1,345 more spectators than the first day. Okay, so write the total number of spectators on the second day. Second day match is 1,345 more than first day. Okay, more than first day. More than first day match. Okay, so now children, you have to find the addition fact for this problem. Okay, so write addition fact. So addition fact means you have to add these two numbers to find the total number of spectators on the second day. Okay, so 7,874 plus 1345. Okay, so these two are 4-digit numbers. Okay, so first write the place value box: ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay, now let's write the numbers one below the other according to their place values. So 7000 for the first number, 7800, 7 tens and 4 ones. Okay, now for the second number, 1345, 1300, 4 tens and 5 ones. Okay, now you have to add these two numbers. So first you have to add the values in the ones place. Okay, that is 5 plus 4 gives us 9. And next you have to add the values to the tens place. That is 7 plus 4, that gives us 11. Okay, so you have to write 1 to tens place and carry over this ones to 100 place. Okay, now you have to add the values to the 100 place. Okay, that is 1 plus 8 plus 3, which gives us 12. Okay, so again you have to write 2 to 100 place and carry over this 1 to 1000 place. Okay, so now you have to add the values to the 1000 place. Okay, the values in the 1000 place, that is 1 plus 7 plus 1. Okay, which gives us 9. Okay, so the answer is 9219 spectators are on the second day match. Okay, so now you have to write the answer: 9219 spectators on the second day match. Okay, children. So children, first you have to read the question. Then next you have to find the hint. Okay. To solve this word problem, you have to find the hint. Okay. So here the first hint is: on the first day of the cricket match, there were 7,874 spectators. Okay. And the second hint is: on the second day, there were 1,345 more spectators than the first day. Okay. Now the addition fact is: how many spectators were there on the second day. Okay. So if you want to find how many more spectators on the second day, you have to add these two numbers. Okay, then you can find how many more spectators on the second day match. Okay, children. Now let's see one more example. Now the second question is: Rita lent 7 story books to her friend Amit. Okay, Rita lent 7 story books to her friend Amit. Okay, the number of story books Rita lent to her friend is 7. Okay, then now she has 14 story books left with her. Now she has 14 story books left with her. Okay, so the number of story books does Rita had is 14. Okay, how many story books did Rita have in the beginning? Okay, that means before she lent 7 story books to her friend Amit, how many books does Rita had? Okay, so write the addition fact for this word problem. Okay, children. So once again, Rita lent 7 story books to her friend Amit. Now she has 14 story books left with her. How many story books did Rita have in the beginning? Okay, so what do you want to do to find the total number of books does Rita have in the beginning? Yes, you have to add 7 and 14, so you can get the number of storybooks does Rita have in the beginning. Okay, children, now let's write the solution for this word problem. Okay, so first one, the number of storybooks Rita lent to her friend Amit is 7. Okay, the number of storybooks Rita lent to her friend is 7. Okay, now next, the number of storybooks does Rita had, the number of storybooks does Rita had is 14. Okay, so now the addition fact is 7 plus 14. Okay, so now children, you have to add these two numbers and find the answer. So here the greatest digit number is 2-digit number, so you have to, the 2-digit numbers have two values, they are ones and tens. Okay, now write the numbers one below the other according to their place values. For the number 7, only ones values are here, isn't it? And 14, 1 tens and 4 ones. Okay, now you have to add these two numbers. 7 plus 4 gives us 13. Okay, so you have to add, you have to write 3 over here and you have to carry over 1 to tens place. Okay, now you have to add the values in the tens place, that is 1 plus 1, which gives us 23. Okay children, so now you have to write answer, the number of storybooks does Rita have Rita had in the beginning is 23. Okay children, so the total number of storybooks does Rita had in the beginning is 23. Okay, the number of storybooks does Rita had in the beginning equal to 23. Okay, so children, in these two word problems, the word problems are given. We have to find the addition fact from this word problem, isn't it? Now children, the addition facts are given. We have to frame a word problem from these addition fact. Okay, now let's see how to do it. Okay, let's frame a word problem for this addition fact. 9 plus 13, which gives us 22. Okay, we have to frame a word problem using these addition fact. Okay, so several different word problem can be framed for this addition fact. Okay, so can you tell me, ma'am, how to frame the addition fact for this problem? Yes, first write solution, then try to frame a addition fact for these 9. Okay, so shall we write like this? Rohan has 9 toy cars. Okay, and now let's frame the addition fact for 13. Okay, his friend David has 13 toy cars. Then we have to find this one, isn't it? We have to write the addition fact for this 22. So you can write how many toy cars do they have together. Okay, children. So here the addition facts are given. You have to frame the word problem using these addition fact. Okay, so first you have to write the addition facts for 9, that is Rohan has 9 toy cars, and you have to write the addition fact for 13, that is, and his friend David has 13 toy cars. Then how many toy cars do they have together? Okay, this is the addition fact for the number 22. Okay, that means the answer. How many toy cars do they have together? Okay, now let's do one more question. The addition fact is 55 plus 18. Okay, the answer is 73. We have to frame a word problem related to this addition facts. Okay, so first write solution. Now we have to find the addition fact for 55. You can write, in a bus there are 53 girls. Okay, and if we have to write the addition fact for 18 and 18 boys. In a bus there are 53 girls and 18 boys. Okay, now children, we have to frame a word problem related to 73. Okay, first we have to frame the word problem related to 55 and 18. Then next we have to frame a word problem related to 73. Okay, so this is the answer. So we can ask the question. Okay, what is the total number of boys and girls in the bus? Okay, children. So first we have to frame the word problem related to 55 and 18. Then next we have to find the word problem related to the answer 73. Okay. So if you are going to frame a word problem for this answer, you can ask the question. Okay. What, how, or how much, or how many more. You can ask the questions like this, okay, to frame a word problem. Okay, children. So, children, in today's class, we learned the addition word problem. That means the word problems are given. We have to find the addition fact. Okay. The next, the addition facts are given. We have to frame a word problem. Okay. Okay, children, this is the end of today's class. Bye and happy learning.